Hello everybody and welcome to another video. It's been a while, we've not done much this year because of moving house, but this is our latest adventure to France, as we went down to explore the Perigord Noir region around Bergerac, and on the way down we stopped off at a place called Chateauroux, where we went to the local market just to see what a French market's like, and this is what this video is about, so we hope you enjoy a walk around with us. This was early on a Saturday morning. We stopped over on Friday, travelling down from the UK. Down to Bergerac's, about 800 miles, so this was a good stop off and a chance to actually experience a French market. What struck us most was the quality of the products and the diversity. As you'll see, lots of fresh produce, whether it's fruit and vegetables, all of a high quality, but also honeys and meats and charcuteries and flowers. It spreads on for quite a while, several different streets and market squares. Seems to be a big thing in France. Markets pretty much spring up every Saturday and Wednesdays, and you notice that when you go to some of the supermarkets, especially the local small stores, they don't have that much in the range of fresh produce. If you need that, then you have to go to the market. This store was selling locally produced honey, which we couldn't try. We were on a ketogenic diet, which means no sugar or carbs. So as you can imagine, in France, where all the boulangeries and pain au chocolat and all that kind of thing, it's very tempting, but for our diet we can't eat it, so this is why we go self-catering to cook our own foods. But we did get fresh porcini mushrooms and from here, which was really nice. The choice was absolutely amazing. And very busy. You notice that lots of people there buying and talking and just catching up with each other. This store here, we had lunch. We bought some beautiful barbecue pork belly ribs. They were fantastic. We took them to the local market cafe and had a coffee and enjoyed those. They were fantastic, they were. From what we could gather as well, the prices didn't seem too bad for the fruit and veg. Flowers were in fantastic condition as well, looked beautiful, same with the plants. Such a diverse market. We had to do this in the morning because by about 1-2 o'clock it would all close. The French lunchtime, famous French lunchtime, everything closes at 12 for 2 hours. So what did you think to this market? How's it compared to your local market, do you think? Let us know in the comments. Like I said, we were amazed by the variety and the quality. It was fantastic. This was the start of a busy day for us. After this we packed up and got on our way down to Bergerac, which was another 300 miles thereabouts. We got there for late afternoon, early evening, and that's where our base would be for the next 7 days and start our adventure around the Perigord Noir region. Lots of medieval towns and villages to see, some amazing sights, so we hope to see you then.